Hey, what's up everyone, I'm Shubham, and in previous video I'm show you how to convert your any Samsung into One UI 7. But in this video I'm going to show you how to add One UI 7 style widgets on your any Android device absolutely free, like this. Yeah, I know this is pretty cool, right? So let's begin. Okay, guys, first you have to download custom widget app on your any Android device. This app download link available in description. Okay, after download, tap and open, and you can see many beautiful widget with categories in this app. Then simply choose any widget like calendar, and remember guys, don't forget to increase corner level like One UI 7, and you also change widget colors, background transparency, and you also set background blur also. Then tap install to home screen and tap on add. Now you can see guys, One UI 7 style completely, this widget completely look like One UI 7. Now add again. This time I add small widget. Simply go to photos and guys, choose 2:1 size. And again remember, do not forget increase corner level. Now guys, tap on photo and you add any photo like this, and simply install home screen and add button, and you can see also add widget like One UI 7. Okay, I again add one widget. This time I add clock widget. And guys, you can see this is completely look like One UI 7 widgets. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.